What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're going to be doing a kitchen box slide. So I've been wanting to do this for my Ford Ranger and I'm finally starting to do it. So I've done a bit of drawing on what I'm gonna do for my plan of making the kitchen slide. So I bought some plywood, and this plywood is a 12 millimeters in thickness and it's 600 millimeters across, and it's 897 millimeters vertical. Right now I've cut this in half and it's 300 millimeters this way. So what I'm going to be needing for this project is I'm going to need the sliders. So I'm just going to show you the sliders. We've got one here which I've already opened. So you can get this on eBay, and this was only $32 and it's 125 kilogram weight limit, and it's heavy duty and it's quite heavy. So I've got one here which I've already opened up, and I'll just show you how the extension is. So when it's extended, so it's about that long. Not sure if you can see it all the way past the screen, and that's about 1200 millimeters when it's extended, and it's 600 millimeters when it's closed. So that's 600 millimeters right there. So I'm also going to be needing some wood glue, and that's going to be gluing the wood. Then I'm going to use some sandpaper just to smoothen the plywood. I've also got the driller. Then I'm going to be using some screws as well. And then I've got some drill bit here as well. I'm also going to be using clamps. So the plywood is actually this big. So I started off with this one, and that one is 600 millimeters across. So that's how big the draw is going to be. It's going to be like that, and then that will be going through here, and it's going to extend that way like that. I'm not sure if you can see that. So the drawers will be coming out this way. That's how I'm going to start off with, but later on I'm going to get 2 more of this for another drawer, which is more of a cutting board. So pretty much that's how the base is going to look like. So on top of here I can put the fridge, and then on the side here, so the sides will have the drawer slides here, and then I'll have more drawers coming out this way. That's where the drawers are going to be. and that's pretty much the base first, and then I'll do the bottom as well. But I'll start off from here and then start gluing from the side here, and then I'll also screw it on. So I'm pretty excited to finish this project. And this will go on my tub, and then later on I can sand it and then paint it, or either put lacquer on it. So just showing you a rough drawing of what I did. It's a bit messy, but I can understand it. Just kind of testing it out. So I put the draw slide here, and also at the end I don't know if I'm either going to be doing it carpet or I'm just going to waterproof paint it. Comment down below on what you think I should do. Carpet it or paint it, maybe use Raptor coating or lacquer to keep the nice wood grain looking. Might have to do it dark, or might have to do it in black. Let me know, comment down below what you think I should do. So I'm going to give the plywood a light sand so that it's nice and smooth before I put it together. So I've done the sides, now I'm going to do the top part of it and do it lightly. So this one is now done, and we'll do the side pieces. Alright, so we're gonna sand the other side, and let's do this. So now that it's nice and smooth, I can put them together. Time to do some drilling and some screw. I made a wood on the side so I can clamp it, and then I can stand it up like this so that I can do the screw a lot easier. So I've just done the measurement for the top plywood. I'm just drawing a dot in there. So what I'm doing is just drilling some holes, which is a pre-drill, and then I can put my screws on. So what I'm going to do is going to put some glue on top along here, and then we can start screwing it in. So this one's for wood. So what I'll be using is the stainless steel screws, and they're 7G by 30 millimeters. Finish screwing it on, and that's what it looked like. So this is the top half of the kitchen slide. So now I'm going to measure the drawer slide, and I'm just going to do it with pencil so I know where to put the screw in. So I've done the measurement, and I've just put an arrow there so I know which way it's facing. So I've just marked an X on where my screws will go. So I'm using a timber screw, which is 8G times 13 millimeters, and this is for the drawer slides. What I'm just gonna hand tighten them. So that's what it looks like. I went with the white button screws. And let's test it out to see if it slides. So it's not actually getting caught on anything. That's how it is right there. So the right side is also complete and installed. There we go. Fully locks. So I've installed the sliders, and this is what it looks like. I've also got the second sliders, which will be for the cutting board. That's what it looks like in there. So this video will have a part 2, which is a continuation of finishing the kitchen box sliders. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.